Yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Prince of PJVC back at it again for another unboxing video and of course a typing sound test for this bang for the buck keyboard by Tecware, which is the B68 mechanical keyboard. This video will be a quick unboxing and typing test. Why this keyboard is a bang for the buck? For only 2,750 pesos or around $60, this board is a hot swap board and dual mode. Yes, you heard it right. You can do both Bluetooth and wired mode with this one. And for the packaging itself, it looks premium. For the package, it comes with a switch puller, keycap puller, extra piece of keycap that shows the logo of the Tecware, USB Type-C braided cable, and of course, the keyboard. I ordered this keyboard without any hesitation. Number 1 because of its price, number 2 because it is hot swap, and number 3, it is dual mode for a very affordable price. I just hope that they move the Type-C slot a little bit so it can fit to the TOFU 65% because I really love the aluminum case for my boards, but sadly it is not properly aligned to fit the TOFU 65% case. Anyways, I'm still very satisfied. I hope there will be an aluminum case for this kind of board, and to add up, I'm pretty sure that this is gonna be my daily driver keyboard now. For the lighting effects, there is a preset RGB illumination and per key lighting through software when wired. The keycaps is a PBT backlit keycaps. The quality of the keycaps make this board stand out, since the PBT plastic quality is a very good quality that will not easily shine compared to the ABS plastic materials. Overall, the design is a very minimalistic and sleek, but sad to say they only released a white variant as of now. I hope they will also release a black version of this for those who are wanting to match this board with their setup. And before we start the typing sound test, the switch that I've chosen for this board is Gateron Blocks, which is a linear switch. There are 3 options to choose when you are going to buy this board: the yellow Gateron switch, brown Gateron switch, and black Gateron switch, which is what we have right now. Once again, it's your boy Prince of PJVC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell button below so you will get notified to my future uploads. You guys are awesome. See you on my next video. Bye bye. Peace.